In this video, we are going to discuss about EM algorithm in machine learning. Outline, maximum likelihood, expected maximization, and general representation. First of all, what is likelihood? Likelihood, like the maximum likelihood hypothesis HML is one that minimizes the sum of squared errors between the observed training value di and the hypothesis predicted hi. H of xi. Okay, so the using mathematical representation we can write it as below formula, where HML is equal to H augment mean belongs to H, capital H set, summation of a I varying from 1 to m within bracket di the training data minus H of hypothesis value of each instance x of I, whole power square. Okay, so this is the formula for maximum likelihood value. Now how we can analyze what is maximum likelihood? If we have many instances of hypothesis where h of xi is varying like h of x1 x2 so on, so using this animation we can clearly understand what is maximum likelihood. We have 14 persons in a team of a project, and among them I need to select the best 2 persons for on-site. So for this, the characteristics or the merits of each person is analyzed under normal distribution curve. So the curve which is represented here is taken as normal distribution, and the features of each person, features means the merit points of each person is considered, and irrespective of their talent, we don't know in which field he is having any talent. So based on the merit points, the graph is analyzed. Top point which will be taken as maximum value, maximum likelihood value. So for each person, normal distribution curve is analyzed, and the comparing all 14 members, whoever has the maximum value will be taken for on-site. So from this we have chosen person 4 is having some maximum normal distribution point, and then person 12 is having the highest point. So these 2 persons will be selected. Now the same analysis have been represented in color. Color indicates we know the in which field the particular person is dominated. Red indicates is those persons are dominated in hardware field, and the purple representation indicates those persons are dominating in the software field. So we can easily classify the group of persons. In the previous case we are not sure about the talents of each person, but here it is explicitly indicated the talents of each persons. So in this way we have an issue of identifying the talents of each person if the specification is not given. So in such cases we go for EM algorithm. So what is EM? Expectation maximization. That is, we are not sure the features of or the variable how we can segregate. So in such case we go for expectation maximization. What is this? This algorithm can be used even for variables whose value is never directly observed. So whose values won't be never directly observed, provided the general form of probability distribution governing these values is known. The EM algorithm have been used to train Bayesian belief networks, and apart from that it plays the basis for many unsupervised clustering algorithms. Now here in this representation the formula is taken as mu, where the mean value will be considered. The formula is represented mu equal to argument mean, where summation is varying from xi minus mu whole square. So we followed 2 steps here for finding EM algorithm. First step is taken as maximization, where the hidden values zxi and I2 will be considered for each normal distribution. That is, we are not I mean here in this case we can't explicitly see the hidden values, but based on hidden values only we are getting the maximum likelihood for that particular person to represented here. So based on hidden values we calculate what is the expected value using the first step of EM algorithm. Okay, so on trial and error basis we'll be analyzing what is the likelihood for one particular person. Each characteristic of each instance of the hypothesis is valued here based on the hidden values, which is indicated as Zi1 and Zi2. So we'll be finding the likelihood for person 2. Likewise the step is repeated for person 3. Likewise the repeated for person 4. Then the second step will be finding the maximum value. So we try to reduce the error by taking the sum of squared of errors. So using the sample mean formula, we'll try to reduce the sum of square errors over here. So the second step will be for finding the maximum value, which is indicated as hypothesis maximum hypothesis H dash, whose mu value will be taken as mu1 and mu2. So in the first step we'll be finding expected value for mu1 and mu2. In the second step we'll try to find out the second that is a new maximum likelihood value will be compared here. So we have H dash. By trial and error method this algorithm will be running until unless we get the same value we stop the algorithm. So this is the implementation where we go for EM algorithm, class mark to find out the overall performer, and best person to choose for on-site, and best marketing product, best shares and stock exchange. All these things in these areas we can go for EM algorithm. And the next okay, thank you for watching. In the next video we'll discuss mathematical representation of EM.